Good morning, this is Suzanne, Style Snips. Today's tip is on pillows and what they can do to a room. Now you may say you're not a pillow person, you like a real contemporary look, but one thing about the value of pillows is they soften up a room. They can be the jewelry in the room. You might need a little pizzazz in a space that's just a bit too monotone. They add pattern to a room. They add sparkle to a room in this case. They definitely overall add a little romance, even if you don't want to create a romantic space. Pillows do an awful lot. They integrate colors. You need maybe have a room that's a little too monotone, or you need just a little touch of pattern or boldness or spark or something. A patterned pillow can do that for you. Anyway, that's Suzanne Style Snips. Please like, subscribe, and pass along my blog.